affirmative. Select this form. G28 is attached. G28 is just attorney making this form. I'm gonna come to the this person's interview date. If somebody this paper is filed after a few months or a few years, he should do the interview in the immigration office, and then at that time, I'm gonna come to the office with him. That's it. That is the G28. Attorney state bar, and then attorney or credit representative, USCIS online account number. Okay, that's okay. Start here. This line, the starting. If you need extra space to complete any section of this petition, use the space provided in Part 9, Additional Information. Part 1, Relationship. You are the petitioner. You are relative in the beneficiary. Okay, that's one. That section is mine. Number 1, I am filing this petition for any. Select only one box. I'm filing this petition for my spouse, or my parent, or my brother, sister, or my child. If you are filing this petition for your child or parent, select the box that describes your relationship. Select only one box. Child was born to parents who were married to each other at the time to the child's birth. Normally for my parent, my spouse, or my child. Second one is, the first one is child was born to parents who were married to each other at the time of the child's birth. Second, stepchild parent, stepchild parent. Child was born some state. Somebody think about that. If I think that this child is my stepson or special stepchild, it's not defective. No, in the United States, it's stepchild or stepparent, doesn't matter. Child was born to parents who were not married to each other at the time of the child's birth, doesn't matter. Child was adopted, not unorphaned, or how do you conventions adoption? Description. Number 4. If the beneficiary is your brother, sister, are you related by adoption? Yes or no? Did you gain lawful permanent resident status or citizenship through adoption? Yes or no? Part 2. Information about you. Number 1, alien registration number. Green, if you use green card, request for the of course. If the child or baby or brother, sister, in case if you gonna receiving so pretty soon citizenship, you had to be a citizen. After that, applying is better. Citizen's child, citizen's brother, it's a short time, but long time left. In case, anyway, that the applying for the green card relationship, after that, after a few years, after you receiving for the citizen, at the time, change for the paper. Doesn't matter. We had better applying. If for the apply for the green card, that's 100% is for the legal. Number two, U.S. CIS online account number, if any. Three, U.S. Social Security number, any. Your full name, family name, last name. B, given name, middle name. Next page. Information about you. Other names used. If you getting when you leave your place, that's a different name you have it. Korean, Chinese, or Japanese. If you have the name, you should read. Provide all other names you have ever used, including alias, maiden name, and other names. A, B, C. If you have any other name, you don't. You put right down the none. Just the space is empty. Drop the document. Other information, city, town, village of birth, country of birth, date of birth, sex, male or female, mailing address, in care of name, street number and name, apartment, street and the floor, 10A, city or town, and number 10, state, which state you live in, zip code, prince, postal code. Postal code normally, zip code is postal code. If you don't have any zip code area, put right here. But normally, zip code and province. For example, LA County, zip code 90010, and province, Los Angeles. Postal code. Postal code is also zip code. And then, country. If you have a current mailing address, it's the same as your physical address. Is your current mailing address the same as your physical address? Yes or no? If you answer no, item number 11, provide information on your physical address, item number 12. 13B, and the next line, address history. Provide your physical address for the last 5 years. last 5 years, whether inside or outside the United States. Provide your current address. First, if it is different from your mailing address in item number 10A, 10I. Physical address. Physical address meaning for the when I live in any house, I have the address. That is physical address. Apartment, suite, floor, city or town. 12D. And then city, town, state, zip code, province, postal code, county, daytime, not county, country, date from, date to, from to, meaning why we need it. If you live in 5 years less, in case different addresses should put right down. Physical address 2, street number, and then city, town, state, province, postal code, county, date, from, when, from, to. If you live over 5 years, on the top, just one time is put right down here, but not 5 years. In case, second, physical address 2, you should put right down. If you don't live 5 years, that's the, you cannot find that your situation, your marital information, how many times have you been married? 1 time or 5 times? You think, if I put right down the 3 times, that's my credit is bad. No, doesn't matter. Elizabeth married 5 times. 1 of the 5 is the same person. 17, current marital status. Single, never married, married, divorced, widowed, separated, annual. Next page. Information about you. Date of current marriage. If currently married, month, date, year, current marriage. Place of your current marriage. Place, Los Angeles, California, Los Angeles, or state, province, country, or that your country in Japan, in Korea, your country is okay. Names of all your spouse, all, how many one, all. Provide information on your current spouse, if currently married, first, and then list all your provide the spouse. First, meaning family, spouse 1, family name, given name, middle name, date, marriage, end, marriage, date, marriage, end. When you divorced, divorce date. Spouse 2, family name, given name, middle name, and then date, marriage, and divorce date. Information about your parents. Parent is information page 23, information about your parents. Parents, first information, full name of parents, 1. Family name, 2. If you're married, or even here live, but not gonna file for the marriage report in case information about your parents. Parents for family name, given name, middle name, date of birth. Parents' date of birth, sex, male or female. First, parents' first information meaning father, or doesn't matter, mother, doesn't matter. Next, page 27, country of birth, 28, city, town, village of residence. 29. And then, parents' second information, mother or father, full name of parent 2, family name, given name, middle name, date of birth, sex, male and female, country of birth, city, town, village of residence, country of residence. Additional information about you. Additional information about you, petition, me. I'm select only one box. I'm US citizen or lawful permanent resident. Lawful permanent resident meaning is the green card. If you are a US citizen, complete item number 37. Number 37 should put right down. My citizenship was acquired through select one, only one box. Birth in the United States. Birth in the United States. Second one, naturalization. Naturalization. 38. Have you obtained a certificate of naturalization or a certificate of citizenship? Yes. If you answered yes to item number 38, complete the following. Certificate number, place of issuance, date of issuance. Okay, next page, 24. Information about you. If you are a lawful permanent resident, complete item number 48 through 41. Class of admission. Class of admission, normally admission is C, regular. You should pass the airport. Class of admission. 40B, date of admission. Date of admission meaning for the United States. Come to the United States, first date. Place of admission, city of town, Los Angeles. State, California. Did you gain lawful permanent residence status through marriage to a US citizen or lawful permanent residence? Yes. This one meaning, did you gain lawful permanent residence status through marriage of a US citizen or lawful permanent residence? Okay. Employment is history, employee history. Name of employer, company name, working place, 43A, street number and name, upper, city or town, state, zip code, province, postal code, country, not country, county. Oh, no. I'm not. Country, 44, your occupation, 45A, date, from what date, and date to still working and present. If not, the date. Employer 2, name of employer, another company, street, apartment, city, town, state, province, postal code, country, your occupation, date from when, date to finish, when, put right down. That's not difficult. Part 3, biographic information. Provide the biographic information about you, the petition. Ethnicity, select only one box. Hispanic or Latino, not Hispanic or Latino. Just the Hispanic person is, the mark is the first one, and any other country, any person from China, from Chinese person without China, and then not history, not Hispanic or Latino. Race, select one applicable box. White, Asian, we all the Asian. Black or African American. African American meaning black person. American Indian or Alaska Native, that's Indian. Native Hawaiian or other Pacific Islander, not Hawaii, Pacific Islander for the any country, Guam, and then to any countries, the small island that is more, native Hawaiian or other Pacific Islander. Height, 7 feet. Height, feet, 5 feet 7 inch. Weight, pound, 150 pound. Eye color, black, blue, brown. Normally Asian people, the color is black, blue, brown, something like that. Gray, green. In case should remember. Next page, 5. Page. Part 3, biographic information containing hair colors. Normally, set 1, black, bold is no hair, bold. Black, blonde, brown, gray, red, sandy, white, unknown. Normally, Asian person is brown color. No, black color, black. Information about beneficiary. alien registration number, A number meaning for the green card number, USCIS online account number if you have any. If not, doesn't matter. 3, US Social Security number, something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 2, 8, 0, 3, 1, 3, 7. All the information, account number is 10, just a 10. And then part 4, information about beneficiary. Okay, we did. Beneficiary's full name, family name, given name, middle name. Other name used. Other name, your country used a different name. Other information about beneficiary. City, town, village of birth, county of birth, country of birth, date of birth, sex, male, female. Number 10, has anyone else ever filed petition for the beneficiary? Note, select unknown, meaning only if you do not know and the beneficiary also does not know. If anyone else has ever filed a petition for the beneficiary. Right side, beneficiary's physical address. When we go to the any place, in case you could write down. If the beneficiary lives outside the United States in a home without a street number or name, leaves item number 11 or what else? 11A, street number or the name. Street number, name. But you remember? Other address and contact information. Provide the address in the United States where the beneficiary intends to live. If different from item number 11A through 11H, 11B, and if the address is the same type of print, same in item number 12A, street number, and then bottom, city and town, California, 900, something like that. Provide the beneficiary address outside the United States if different from item number 11A through 11B. If the name, if the address okay, 26. Wow, sleeping. Part 4. Information about beneficiary. 15. Mobile telephone number. Email address. Beneficiary's marital information. How many times has the beneficiary been married? How many times? current marital status: single, never married, married, divorced, widowed, separate, annulled. Date of current marriage: if current married, month and date. Place of beneficiaries: current marriage, city, town, state, province, country. Same of beneficiary: spouse. Provide information on the beneficiary's current spouse, if current married, and then name of beneficiary's spouse. Provide information on the beneficiary's current spouse, if current married, first, and then list all the beneficiaries' prior spouse, if any. 21A, family name, given name, middle name, marital and spouse 2, same thing. Meaning this paper, the application to the green card application, 90% just the name and where they live. That's important, is the name and address. Information about beneficiary's family. Provide information about the beneficiary's spouse and then children. Person 1. Family name, given name, middle name, relationship, date of birth. And then that's the page. Person 2. And then person 3. Who's the person 3? Provide information about the beneficiary's spouse and then children. Okay, that's not important. 27. Information, part 4, information about beneficiary. Person 4, family name, given name, and something. Person 5, name also passed. Beneficiary's entry of information, Was the beneficiary ever in the United States? Yes or no? In the beneficiary's current in the United States, complete item number 46, everything. 46, he or she arrived as a class of admission, normally regular from the airplane, the airport is a C. 46B, form I-94, arrival departure, like coding number. I-94 meaning when you come to the United States, first time to come to the United States airplane, that's the airplane they issued I-94, and then passport, just put it in one paper, that's I-94. That one is a date and information, something. That's so important. If you don't have I-94, you can apply for the green card. That's so important. Date of arrival, some date or something. Date authorized to stay expired or will expire as shown on from I-94 or from I-95, or type or print, DS for duration of state. For the some story, short period you wanna stay here, and then they say duration of status. That's one is the DNS. Passport number, that's important. Travel document number. Country of issuance for passport or travel document. Expire date for passport or travel documents. Beneficiary employment information. Provide the beneficiary's current employment information if applicable, even if they are employed outside of the United States. If the beneficiary is currently unemployed, type or print unemployed in item number 51A. Name of current employer. If he doesn't have any job, just non-employed, unemployed. And then 51B, street number and address. About something, city and town, state, zip code, province, postal code, country, date of employment to begin. And then additional information about beneficiary. Additional information, was the beneficiary ever in immigration proceeding? Yes or no? Normally no. If you answered yes, select time of proceeding and provide the location and date of proceeding. Removal, exclusion meaning deportation, recession, other judicial process, city or town, something like that. You should remember that if you have, for the few years ago, the processing for the immigration process, and then at the time you change mind, okay, I give up, I'm not gonna process, that's the green card section, and then that's the, at the time it's dismissed, but after 5 years, I change mine, and then you reply, change mine, and then you already spend time. In case, the best way, you should remember last time, even in this day, brother, petition for brother and sister, over 10 years, and then 7, 8 years, too long. I give up, I'm not gonna do. But after 10 years, I change mine. In case you come to looking for the last one, in case last one, you should reopen in case 7, 8 years, save time. You try again? No, just save time, you can do it. That's all important information about beneficiary. If the beneficiary's native written language does not use Roman letters, type or print his or her name and foreign address in their native written language. If Korean is Korean language, China, the Chinese language, Japan, Japanese language put right here. And then family name, given name, middle name, street number, do not use Roman letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, Roman letter, that's the, not using, and then city, town, province, postal code, country. This one is, if you write down this document should go to the embassy for your country, that they can read easy. That's not easy to the English pronunciation and then to your language. For China, that's not easy. In case your country word should use. If filing for your spouse, provide the last address at which you physically live together. If you never live together, type or print never lived together in item number 59A, street number and name. Same thing. City or town, state, province, postal code, country, date of to. The beneficiary is in the United States and will apply for adjustment of state status to that of a lawful permanent resident at the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Service Office in city and town. Next, right side. The beneficiary will apply to adjustment of status in the United States, but he or she will apply for an immigrant visa at road of the U.S. Embassy or U.S. Consulate in city or town, province, country. Note, choosing a U.S. Embassy or U.S. Consulate outside the United States beneficiaries last residence does not guarantee that it will accept the beneficiary's case for processing. In this situation, the designate U.S. Embassy or U.S. Consulate has discretion over whether or not to accept the beneficiary's case. Other information. Have you ever previously filed a petition for this beneficiary or any other alien? Yes or no? If you answer yes, provide the name, place, date of filing, and the result. Family name, last name, first name, middle name, city and town, state, something, date of file. Result. Result is the prove or deny, withdrawn. Withdrawn is I give up. This too much time. I should be wait. I don't like it. In case that one is withdrawn. If you are also submit separately petition for other relative, provide the name of and your relationship to each relative. Relative 1, family name, given name, middle name, relationship, something. Okay, that's the page 29. Other information relative to family name from the first and the last. Every time is name. First name, given name, middle name, relationship. Warning. USCIS investigate the claimed relationship and verifies the validate of document you submit. If you falsify a family relationship to obtain a visa. USCIS may seek to have you criminally processed. Penalty. By law, you may be imprisoned for up to 5 years or fined $250,000 or both for entering into marriage contact in order to evade any U.S. immigration law. In addition, you may be fined up to $10,000 and imprisoned for up to 5 years or both for acknowledging and willfully falsifying or concealing a marital fact or using any false document in submitting this petition. That's so important document. If there's some long information, that's too much the penalty or so long prison. Part 6, petitions, statement, contact information, declaration, and signature. Note, read the penalties section of the Form I-130 instruction before complete this part. Petitioner's statement section selection the box for either item number 1A or 1B. If applicable, select the box for item number 2. 1A. I can read and understand English, and I have read and understand every question and instruction on this petition and my answer to every question. 1B. The interpreter named Part 7 read to me every question and instruction on this petition, my answer to every question in this language in which I am fluent. Understand that of this information as interpreted. This section is their mother language. Number 2, at my request, the first prepare the name in Part A. Prepare this petition for me based only upon information I provide or authorize. That is, petitions, contact information. 3. Petitions daytime telephone number. Petitions mobile telephone number. Petitions email address. Petitions declaration and certification. Copy or any document I have submit exact photocopies of unauthorized original document, and I understand that USCIS may require that I submit original document to USCIS at the later date. Furthermore, I authorize the release of the information from any of my record that USCIS may need to determine my eligibility for the information benefit I seek. I further authorize the release of information contained in this petition, in supporting document, and in my USCIS record to other entities and persons where necessary for the administrations and enforcement of U.S. immigration law. I understand that the USCIS may require me to appear for an appointment to take my biometrics, fingerprint, photocopy, and photograph and the signature. And at the time, if I am required to provide biometrics, I will be required to sign on oath reaffirmation that, number one, I authorize all of the information contained in and submit with my petition. Number two, I reviewed and understood all of the information in and submit with my petition. And three, all of this information was complete, through, and correct at the time of filing. I certified under penalty of perjury that all of the information in my petition and my documents submit with it were provided or authorized by me, that I reviewed and then understand all of the information contained in and submit with my petition, and that of all this information complete, true, and correct. This one is the authorized. Petitioner signature, just to signature one time here. So you sign in ink, date of signature, date. Note to all petitioners, if you do not fill out this petition or fail to submit the required document listed in the instruction, USCIS may deny your petition. Why deny? If you do not completely fill out this petition or fail to submit the required document listed in the instruction, USCIS may deny your petition. Okay, next to page number 30. Interpreters contact information, certification, and the signature. Provide the following information about the interpreter. If you used one, interpreter's full name, interpreter's name, interpreter's family name, last name, and the interpreter's given name, first name. Number two, interpreter's business or organization name. Interpreter's mailing address, their address, street, city, town, state, province, postal, everything. Interpreter's contact information. Interpreter's daytime telephone number. Interpreter's middle name, telephone number, middle name, telephone number, middle telephone number. What's that? Number four, interpreter's daytime telephone number. Number five, interpreter's mobile telephone number. Number six, interpreter's email address. You see? What are you gonna do? Interpreter's certification. I certify under penalty of perjury that I am fluent in English and some language, which is the same language provided in number 6, item number IB 6, and then I have read this petition in the identified language. Every question and instruction on this petition and his or her answer to every question. These petitioners' information mean that he or she understands every instruction, question, and answer on the petition, including the petitioner's declaration and the certification, and has verified the accuracy of every answer. This page regarding all the interpreter's signature, date of signature. Number 8, contact information, declaration, and the signature of the person preparing this petition, if other than the petitioner. Provide the following information about the preparer. Preparer's full name. Number 1A, preparer's name, family name. 1B, preparer's given name. 2, preparer's business or organization name. Preparer's mailing address, street number and name, city, something like that, same thing, mailing address. Next page, 31. Contact information, declaration, and the signature of the person preparing this petition, if other than the petition. Preparer's contact information. Number 4, preparer's daytime telephone. 5, preparer's mobile telephone number. 6, preparer's email address. Okay. Contact information, declaration, and the signature of the person preparing this petition, if other than the petition. Preparer's contact information, daytime telephone, mobile phone, email. Next one, preparer's signature. Number 7A, I am not an attorney or accredited representative, but have prepared this petition on behalf of the petitioner and with the petitioner's consent. 7A, I am an attorney or accredited representative, and my representation of the petitioner in this case does not extend beyond the preparation of this petition. Note, if you are an attorney or accredited representative whose representation and extend beyond preparation of this petition, you may be obliged to submit complete Form G28, Notice of Entry of Appearance as attorney or accredited representative with the petition. Preparer certification. By my signature, I certified under penalty of perjury that I prepared this petition at the request of the petitioner. The petitioner then reviewed this complete petition and informed me that he or she understands all of the information contained and submit with his or her petition, including the declaration of petitions, declaration and the certification, and that all of this information complete, true and correct, complete this petition based only on information that the conditioner provide to me, authorize me, the obtain or use. Prepares a signature, attorney or any other representative, date of signature. Just a petitioner one time, and then attorneys one time. Next to page 32. Additional information. If you need extra space or provide any additional information within this petition, use this space below. If you need more space than what is provided, you may make copy of this page to complete and file with the petition, or attach preparate sheet or paper. Type or print your name and A number meaning green card number, if any, at the top of each strip. Indicate the page number, part number, and item number to which your answer refer, and sign and date each sheet. 1A, B. 1A, family name, B, middle name, first name, middle name. A number meaning green card number. And then, let's just pay part name. Extra space provide any additional information within this petition. Use the space below. If you need more space than what's provided, you may make a copy of this page complete and while with this petition, or attach a separate sheet of paper, type or print your name, A number at the type of number page. Indicate page number, part number, and part number to which you answer refer, and the sign and the signature field. No, just a pass. Yeah, that one is finished. I-130. So if you applying for the green card after a few years, when you apply for the green card, at that time, if you go to the attorney office, they charge you too much, they want around $3,000 to $5,000. But if you need this information, you can save so much the amount, and then you know that all the information is too easy. That's so important. I-130, that's the application for the green card. That's so important. Yeah. Okay, that one is if you have any time, any spare time, review, and you can save a lot of money. And then so many persons applying for the green card and too much the money. Somebody asking for the $8,000, somebody's more than that. You don't have any information, they asking and then you pay. You don't need that paying that amount. Just you can do. Just can help. Attorneys can help. And then you should know all the documents, you should know all the information in case so much the amount is saved. That's good. One day more and more and hot. Today is the hot, yesterday is hot, something. And then maybe winter is gone. In the summer season, California is summer season, too hot. Be careful, too hot. Okay, today is finished.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Come on.
What are you gonna